Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Well, we just had breakfast, got the kitchen picked up. Ken and I are going to get our weekly cleaning chores done. We're going to do the entry, the dining room, and the living room. Just knock out the whole week's worth of cleaning. There's not really a lot to do, just dusting and vacuuming. And there's a little hot spot in there where the boys have been dropping all of their stuff from college. So as they come down this morning from upstairs, I'm going to have them clear it out. But other than that, we're going to get started. I want to get it done first thing because tonight is date night. So let's get busy. All right, we're going to start here in the dining room, go right around to the living room and to the entry. This is our hot spot. I've already cleared up any personal items that was mine. I was guilty. Got one more boy to pick up some stuff here. This is what I was guilty of. I had a box and some tape and tissue paper and baby wrapping paper. I set it there because I have one more baby gift coming that hasn't arrived. And see, even mom is guilty. I already have all of this stuff organized. All of these drawers. So I don't have any like real decluttering to do. I'm just going to start by opening up all of the blinds, getting some natural light in here, putting on some music, making it a nicer environment to clean. did it. We did 2 zones. Normally, you know, with the zone cleaning, you only do 1 zone a week, but we knocked out 2 zones, the entry, the porch, the dining room, the living room. I didn't do anything on the porch. It's too cold outside. But, you know, that just gives testament that once you stick with Fly Lady for a while, your zones will just be very organized. There won't be any clutter, and you can just knock them out really easy. If I had all my zones in that shape, it would be a wonderful world here. But I'm working on it, and I hope you guys are too. All right, we're gonna take a little break. I'm gonna read my book, and then I'll get freshened up for date night, and we're gonna have I made the guys some Hawaiian sliders and their soup. So when they get home from school, all they need to do is put this in the oven and heat it up. Ken and I are going on a date night. They're all set. This is a great recipe. I'll put a link to the recipe share video in the description box below. We're headed out for date night. It's snowing kind of lightly. We got over a foot yesterday for sure, and probably 5 or 6 inches today. But the roads are clear, and we're just gonna go have some fun.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my...
For dinner tonight, I'm having an Argentinian steak salad. Looks pretty good. This is Ken's dinner. He's having a chili relleno with some grilled vegetables, Monterey Jack cheese, some salsa. It has some warm tortillas with it. This is Ken's main entree. It has chicken with a sauce on it, white rice, and black beans. As far as dessert, we're going to take it home to the boys as usual. This is looks like a coconut cake with a rum sauce and berries. We're home from dinner, and Ken lit the fireplace. It's so toasty and warm. I think I'm going to get my blankie. We're going to watch a movie and then call it a night. So I guess I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. We're going to be going to Utica, spend the day, and have a little bit of adventure. All right, guys, until the next video, talk to you later.
And I can feel